This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta Exchange and Tax Buddy. November series has come to an end and it was a very bullish series, and Nifty shot up nearly 800 points in the November series and nearly 200 points only in the last trading session. This is on top of 900-point rally in the month of October. So October and November put together, there is a 1,700-point rally. And you may remember sometimes in the beginning of May series, Nifty fell nearly 1,400 point in 2 weeks time. So this year, it has been a huge volatile intra-year. Volatility was very huge. I don't think that I've seen any such big volatility in any of the past 15 years. So even the Dow also shot up more than 4,000 points from the recent low. So the markets all over the world are turning bullish. And that is evident from the fact that VIX is also crashing all over the world. And India VIX, unimaginable. So it's below 13. And just 1 month before, it was around 20, 21. US VIX has also cooled down so much. Now it is slightly trading above 20. I think if it comes below 20, it will be more comfortable. So as usual, so the people are, expecting less aggressive rate hike in future, but still they are going to hike, So it's not that they are not going to hike, but the only thing is that the aggressiveness will be less. So nowadays the markets, so no negative news becoming a positive news. And last few days, like last 1 or 2 days, some observation, say particularly yesterday, Bank Nifty fell, but IT index was up and Nifty was up. So I think, going forward for the next few weeks, I feel that IT index may outperform bank index. So the Bank Nifty may not move much higher, but IT and other stocks may move higher. And because the Bank Nifty has already moved much higher. And last year, Nifty high was 18,600, but still Nifty is not somewhere near that. But Bank Nifty last year high was 41,000 something. Now it is around 43,000. So it is the Bank Nifty, particularly PSU banks, have led the rally. So going forward, some kind of sectoral rotation may happen. So Bank Nifty may take a back seat, and now IT stocks may take a front seat when it comes to large caps. But I still feel, the next leg, the mid cap and small caps may hugely outperform. And there are signs already. Just look at the Power Finance Corporation. Last 1 month, it has shot up more than 30%. Not even 1 month. It's about 2 to 3 weeks. So in 2 to 3 weeks time, Power Finance Corporation, a mid-cap stock, offering 10% dividend yield, more than 10%, it has shot up 30%. And look at the BHEL. Friday alone, BHEL has shot up 10%. So look at the REC, look at the Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank in last 1 week shot up nearly 20%. So somehow I feel that, among the large cap, IT stocks may lead, and among the overall market, the mid cap and small cap may outperform the large cap going forward. So looking at the open interest, there is a huge open interest at 18,300 put option and 19,000 call option. So the people are expecting some kind of a range bound move in December. But however, there is a caution here. December month is a 5-week series. 5-week series, it's usually a long series, and anything can happen. But right now, people believe that 18,300 will be a very good support. 19,000 is the resistance. In addition to this, what people are doing, and people are taking 18,500 short straddle. The 18,500 short straddle, trading around 500 point plus. So these people will make profit as long as Nifty is trading between 18,000 and 19,000. So broadly speaking, Nifty is likely to trade between 18,000 and 19,000 with a positive bias in IT stocks and mid cap stocks and small cap stocks. So this is my view for the month of December. And again, please remember, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. So whatever is my view, I'm just sharing. If you are looking at the data, so one important data coming Wednesday, that is India GDP data. But of course, there's nothing to worry. India GDP data will always be good only. So because we have been good for the last many months. And then as usual, core sector growth data, like manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data. So those data will be coming. And most important data will be monthly auto sales data. And why? On one side, crude prices are coming down. So I think now the Brent crude is trading around $83, $84. 1 or 2 weeks before it was trading close to $100. So it's almost 20% fall. And then if the monthly auto sales data is good and the global cues are good, if local cues are good, we can expect auto stocks to do well. So in fact, on Friday itself, Maruti has become long technically, so I've taken some bullish bets on Maruti. I play only through the options. I didn't play through the futures. And even there is some activity in Hero MotoCorp also. So generally, the first week, auto sectors will be more active. And so we have to wait for the monthly auto sales data. And then the most important data, which will be coming on Friday, is the US jobs data. So as I already told you, US jobs data, US consumer price inflation data, these are the two important data to watch in US markets. And in addition to any Fed related. So I think, I don't know which day, there is one day Fed chairman will be speaking somewhere. So I think, we can expect the Fed chairman to speak slightly dovishly only. So because now the inflation is on a downward trajectory there. So there is nothing to worry. So that is already evident from the fact that, India VIX is crashing down. So the fear is very, very less now. In fact, it is lower than the average. On an average, India VIX used to be around 15, 16. So anything below 12, 13 is considered to be ultra low VIX. So maybe I may come out with a separate video. So, many people complain that, ultra low VIX, ultra low premium. But ultra low premium will go even ultra low. So that is my experience. So maybe I will come out with a video about this India VIX issue. So right now the markets are bullish, and so you keep some appropriate stop loss and then just ride the show. So that is a mantra right now. And after a long time, now I'm picking up some mid cap and small cap stocks for trading. So I think I told you I was long in BHEL last week, and also I was long in Rain Industries. Rain Industries, I took long position around 174, 174.5. Now it has come to 180, 181 like that. So of course, they are all trading bet for short-term view only. So basically, I will be looking, because the FIIs have turned net buyers, so the HDFC group will also be coming under focus. So in a way, simply speaking, we are somewhere near the all-time high. So when this happens, normally sectoral rotation happens. So which are the stocks that has underperformed for the last 1 to 2 years is IT and HDFC group. So those stocks may catch up, may recover. So that is how, Bank Nifty may take a backseat. So market trend may continue. So you may remember my money control article. So in December, my target is 18,500 to 19,000. So that 18,500 has crossed decisively in futures, but spot is somewhere near there only. So we will see where it goes for the next few weeks. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.